Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Jen, and as you can tell by the title, today's video will be an office transformation. When I moved into my condo, I wanted this room to be a little bit different than the other ones, so I figured I would go with a color that was a little bit out of my comfort zone. When I chose the swatch, I was going for a light peachy rosy color. However, when I saw the paint on the wall, I didn't like the color that much, but I figured with time it would grow on me. Unfortunately, it never did. I've been working from home since March of 2020. Thankfully, I already had an office space. I had been wanting to change things up in this room for the longest time, but I never got around to it. When my boyfriend started working from home a few weeks after me, and we realized our working situation wasn't gonna change anytime soon, as opposed to having his computer set in the dining room, I figured I would make some room for him in the office and take the opportunity to change things around like I've been wanting to do. If you're interested to see how I transform this office in a working space for the both of us, stick around to see the complete transformation and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. The first thing I wanted to do was to obviously change the paint on the walls. So here I'm starting by removing my shoes from the middle shelves and tackling the books and purses that I have on both sides before removing the shelves. I took this opportunity to go through my shoes and purses, as hard as it was, and decided to donate or sell a few of them through Facebook Marketplace. Whenever I'm doing a big cleanup like this, I've learned to declutter by letting go of items I no longer use. After removing the shelves from the office and pushing my desk in the middle of the room, I prepped the walls with some painting tape to be ready first thing the next morning and start right away with the walls. I knew I was going to move the shoe wall, so I had to patch the holes from the floating shelves. I got the sandpaper kit from the dollar store. It has 3 levels of grit depending on the type of work you're going for. I like the handle that came with the kit, makes it easier to work with. Here's another tool that I got from the dollar store to open the paint can. It also helps you clean your brush and other things. I've decided to go with a light gray color. The brand I'm using is BHER in the color Sterling with an Eggshell Enamel sheen. By the way, it was my first time painting a room and I totally underestimated the energy it takes to paint a wall. Painting that room was a workout and a half. This quick tour is after one coat. Seeing the room instantly change was rewarding. I really wonder why it took me so long just to change the color of the walls. I ended up putting a second coat where I thought it needed, and my boyfriend ended up doing the edges near the ceiling because honestly I was exhausted, so thank you, boyfriend. After letting the paint dry, I put the light switch covers back on. The next step was to build the furniture. I found the easiest way and the most cost-effective way to add a desk for my boyfriend was to get another tabletop and 2 table legs to add to the other side of my desk. I wanted to get white legs, but they were out of stock, and in between lockdowns and the stores closing here and there, apart from essential businesses, I decided to go for the light gray ones instead of waiting for the white legs to come back in stock. I figured they would go well with the walls anyway. I think I forgot to mention, this office transformation is through several months. Again, with the whole situation going on in the world, I've had to wait for pieces of furniture to be back in stock and for the stores to actually open it so that I could go there physically, because I've heard of people ordering through IKEA online and waiting forever for their orders to come. So I was not about to be one of them. Here, I'm just putting my stuff back on the desk. Most of my accessories are from Amazon. They will be listed in the description box in case you're interested in any of them. I have a work computer and a personal one. I got a monitor stand to be able to store whichever computer I'm not using underneath. I find it very convenient and clutter-free compared to how it was before. This flower arrangement is a DIY. The flowers are from the dollar store and the vase is a candle holder from Bath & Body Works. I moved the shoe wall. So here I'm putting my shoes back after a first round of decluttering. I know it doesn't seem like it, but I promise I decided to let go of a few pair of shoes. Eventually, I got rid of a few more after this clip that you're seeing right now. And now, time for the big reveal. So this is my boyfriend's side. He's a minimalist compared to me. He has his work monitors and his personal computer and a notebook on the side. The little desk lamp is from IKEA. We got the same chair from IKEA. I will not try to pronounce the name. I will just put it on the screen for you guys. We both work from home and take night classes, so we spend a lot of time at our desk, and we figured it was a good idea to invest in a comfortable chair. It's adjustable and I think it supports the back very well. The cherry on top of that is that I was able to find a light colored chair similar to the one I had before, so I did not sacrifice my aesthetic. And one more thing, the chairs were on sale, so that's even better. Now to the pink side of the room. Here you have my personal computer prepped on a stand as well. I like having both screens, especially for my classes. I'll have the Zoom screen with the teacher sharing their screen on the left, and I can easily take my notes on the big monitor. Of course, look, he has a bed in the middle. He spends most of his days in there with us. I moved one of the bookshelves next to my desk. I also donated a few books that I knew I'd never read anymore. On the last shelf, I have my school stuff. Here's the final take of the shoe wall for now. I kept one bookshelf next to the shoes and put my purses on there. I think you can see that I've decluttered a lot. I'm happy with how everything turned out. I think it's much better than before. I might want to change a few things eventually, but overall, I'm very happy with how everything looks. That is it for today's video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!